Hello Mayhem Makers, Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and we're doing an unboxing video. So as you can tell, fabric already got unboxed, but my goodness, we have 62 bolts of Kimberbell restock. So I thought I'd kind of show off what just came in. So all of you Kimberbellas and fellas, if you've been looking for fabric and nobody's got it, we sure do, because my goodness, this restock is just epic at this point. So I'm gonna make a mess in our room, thankfully. I guess I'm the one that cleans it up, so it doesn't matter. But we've got all the different basics, good old orange scroll. Kimberbell just went through and did a whole refresh of their basics, and so we ordered them to come back into the store, and so pretty much every color you could want we have got, and solids. So we've also restocked the Kimberbell Silky Solids. Love them. Polka dots, they are always good for everything. You don't have to use these on Kimberbell projects because they're just great little cute basics for anything. Chevrons, good old navy. We can't ever seem to keep navy in stock. Hot messes here. I mean, come on. If it isn't mayhem, it's not me, right? It's yellows. All kinds of stuff. More solids, teals, greens. So if you've got that wish list of fabric, nice orange, we should have it here. It's escaping me. Oh my gosh. Even the petals, they're pretty petals, they're little mini dots. Some of the more classics, the awning stripes. You name it, I think it came in. A lot of stripes, which are always good. One of my favorites for binding is always a good stripe. More solids. I don't know why I went to the gym this morning. I could have just done this. Right? Ugh. Keeps going. Ooh, reds. We love good classic red. I think these unboxings on the floor are more fun. Ooh, nice little kind of peachy pastel. We even have kind of cross hatches, good yellows, purples, black, kind of that linen texture one. More stripes. They're tufted stars. Like I said, you name it, we got it. More polka dots. There we go. Ooh, love that purple. Green pin dot.
And do you know your Kimberbell name? Fabric names.
It is impressive that I actually know most of the names of these fabrics. The linen texture, the honeycombs. I mean, come on. Well, you know. It's because Lori and I live and breathe Kimberbell here in the store. More of the petals. Oh, more pin dot. And a lovely pink polka dot. So, hope you enjoyed all this. Go stock up your carts because it will go fast. All right, have a lovely day. Keep on stitching.